Alright, so today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I got an order I placed from Blain's Farm and Fleet. They're relatively new to our area, so I don't know a whole lot about them. All I've heard is it's mostly a step or two above Harbor Freight, and the prices are a little bit more expensive for some things, more than Harbor Freight, but they also have a little more selection of smaller items, but their bigger items are more expensive than. All right, so let's open the box.
What is inside? Is there a screwdriver in there?
No, I don't think there's a screwdriver, buddy.
Is there a screwdriver? Is there?
No.
There's no screwdriver. There's no tools in there? There's no tools in there?
Yeah, hold on. All right, yeah, this is my co-host today. My son, Raylan. My oldest, my youngest, is taking a nap with his mom right now. Alright, so here's the packing list. I mean, the prices of this stuff is pretty good. I got a flat soapstone holder for $2.99, 3-pack of silver marking pencils for $7.99, soapstone for $1.99, a center punch for $3.79, and a block brush for $1.99. That was kind of the main thing I was looking for, but let's see. And this is a sheet for if you have a return to make.
Why was this in there?
Alright, so what do we got here? This is the brush. It's a little bit small on the small side, but the bristles are pretty stiff. I think this will be pretty nice. The brush I have right now is it's a little bit bigger, but the bristles are really flimsy, so you don't get a real good scrub when you're trying to clean material. But you can see it's about yay big. Nice and stiff bristles. Here is the soapstone holder. Adjustable. Oh, and it actually comes with a soapstone in it. That's how you retract it. So that was the soapstone holder, and one soapstone was $3. That's a pretty good deal. Five-pack of soapstones.
Guess what, Dad?
What, buddy?
There's things going into the car.
I know. Is it because you dropped it in there?
Tried to put it in there and it fell down.
So this is a 3-pack of the silver marking pencils. Already sharpened too. That's nice because I don't have a pencil sharpener, but it's something I can, you can just sharpen up with your knife. And then lastly, 5/16 center punch. This was $3.80. Dasco, we use all this stuff at work, so I know it's a pretty good brand. Pretty nice point on it. So another order of business with this video is a channel update. And as of when this video posts, I'm going to start transitioning the channel name from my name to the Forge's name. So for a while it'll show up Safety Third Forge and in parentheses Dylan Shook for a month or two, and then start transitioning it over just from my name to the Forge name. That's it for today for this unboxing. All this stuff with all of this and shipping included, it was under $30. I think it came out to $27.33. I mean, I could have gone to our news store here in Jackson and just picked all this up, but nah, I don't like going places, so easier just to have it shipped here, and then I can do an unboxing video. So thanks for watching. Have a happy new year, safe and happy new year, and we'll see you in 2019.